Hi there, this is Ryan Malloy here at the Worldwide Center of Mathematics. In this video, we're going to discuss tricks for solving single-digit division problems. So let's suppose that we're given a problem like 7 divided by 2. There are plenty of tricks that one can use to do this. And the trick that I like is think of stacking some blobs. Any blob will do. These will be blobs of clay. And here we have 2 blobs. And we want to try to get to 7 blobs. So this is one set of 2 blobs. And we stack more blobs on top of these blobs. Now we've got 4 blobs. So 2 times 2 is 4. Let's add another set of blobs on top of the blobs that we already stacked on top of the first blobs. So our third set gives us a total of 6. Now if we add another set of blobs on top of our blobs, we'll have 8 blobs, which is too many. So what we can do is stick with this and then just have another blob on the side. So what this tells us is the answer is 3 with a remainder of 1. And you can check this by going backwards. 2 times 3 is 6, plus our remainder 1 is 7. But let's try it with something that doesn't have a remainder. We'll do 6 divided by 3. Again, we've got 3 blobs all sitting in a row. This is one set of 3 blobs. 1, 2, 3. Let's stack more blobs on top. Six. That's exactly how many we need. And there are 2 rows of blobs. So the answer, 6 blobs divided by 3 blobs, is 2 blobs. And that's all there is to it. My name is Ryan Malloy, and we've just discussed tricks for solving division problems.